So a little bit late on this one, but we got an ornament just like last year. It's upside down. It's upside down.
I know it is.
It's upside down.
Hallmark 2017 ornament.
Last year's was the Queen. This year's is the Power Loader.
They got her shoes right, babe.
Hey.
I just realized her sleeve is off her shoulder too.
Oh yeah, I didn't notice that earlier.
Yeah, not much to say about it. It's a Hallmark ornament. It looks gorgeous. It's plastic. It's like a hard plastic, hard light plastic.
It'll look pretty on a tree.
Super detailed, and yeah, maybe they'll do ones that aren't aliens one year.
Like what?
Like an alien one.
What was the
Maybe
first
not
year
Prometheus
one?
The first one was aliens.
I thought it was Big Jab.
It was the perfect organism, so it might have been alien.
I say. Nice, quick little showcase.
Yeah.
I like that word.
On the tree.
On your tree, on your tree, on your tree.